Hello guys, you are watching CPA Hacks. Before entering into this video, please subscribe my channel and like my videos and share this videos who all are interested in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. In this video, we are going to see a simple trick which is going to give you 1000x of profit in CPA marketing. Okay, you don't need to spend any money for this. Okay, you don't need to spend any money for ads or any promotional things. This is a free traffic source and a free trick, okay, which most of the people are not using this. Okay, you can utilize this and you can start your earnings from right now. Okay, so this video is totally based on movie lovers. Okay, so most of the foreigners or most of the people, mostly they spend time on watching movie like Netflix, Amazon Prime, okay, Hotstar, like this kind of social medias. They will spend some time to watch movies. Okay, so many people don't have a subscription for Netflix or Amazon Prime. Okay, they don't have a subscription. So what they will do is they will download the HD print of that movie from second party sites. Okay, they will download the movie from the second party sites. We are going to give him a perfect second party site and we are getting some money. So you are going to give him a second party site and you are getting paid for it. Okay, if you want to know how this is possible, watch this video fully. Okay, so first thing is go to the website called as tfpdl.sc. okay, again I'm pronouncing it tfpdl.c. okay, so in this website you will get every kind of movies, series, short films like this. Every movies you will get in this website for absolutely free. Okay, we are going to recommend this website for our customers and we are going to earn some money. Okay, so first thing, just copy this URL. Okay, first copy this website URL and go to the website which you are working on. Okay, for an example, I am choosing CPA Grip. This is a fresh CPA Grip account. Okay, here we are going to create a content logo. You can do it on Max Bounty, CPA Build, any things you can do. For an example, I am doing it on CPA Grip. Okay, click on monetization tool, URL file locker. Okay, click on create new URL locker, agree terms and condition, click on continue. Okay, first let us select a template. Okay, personally I am going to tell you that please use this kind of template. Okay, this is a perfect template. This will be much attractive. Okay, use this template and come to the column called as general. Okay, come to this general and paste your URL which you have copied there. Okay, just paste the URL here. In this place, give a comment called as complete this offer. Complete this offer and watch your movie. So I have given a comment called as complete this offer and watch your favorite movie for free. I have typed this and you have got this comment here. Okay, you can watch it here, complete this offer and watch your favorite movie for free. Okay, so now we are going to select the countries where we are going to promote it. Okay, you can promote it as much as country you like. Okay, for India, email submission things, for United States, you can choose for zip submission things. Okay, you can copy anything. For each country you can select as much as country you can. Okay, Germany. So why this thing is what this thing is, for an example, if somebody have click this link, means automatically this link will redirect to their own country. If I'm clicking this from Canada, means I will get automatically Canada country CPA link. Okay, automatically I can see Canada content CPA link. If another person is clicking the same link from Germany, means he will see the Germany country's CPA link. Okay, this is the actual concept of it. Okay, so after you have completed, click on save. Okay, so automatically it has been created. You can see the link here. Okay, click on get link, click on get link, click on copy link. Okay, so this is the second step. Okay, after you have created a successful content logger, you should not place this CPA link directly to any social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, like this kind of social medias. You should not place this CPA link directly, you know it well. So create a simple landing page and paste this content locker link. Okay, so successfully you have created a content locker and you have created a landing page. So creating a landing page, I don't want to spend more time on it because we have teaching many things regarding landing page. We, even though we have created a separate video for landing page, how a landing page should be, how should be a landing page. Okay, everything we have taught you, so I don't want to waste the time. Okay, after successfully you have created a landing page, just copy that landing page. Okay, so the step 3 also completed. You have completed the content locker and you have completed the landing page also. Now the last step is traffic. Okay, so don't worry, come to the website called as Twitter. Twitter is a well-known website, most of the social media players are using it. So click on just tweet. For an example, if you are promoting a movie called as Mission Impossible, download. Okay, Mission Impossible HD download, and give a hashtag also regarding this mission. Give as much of hashtags relating this. Okay, Tom Cruise. Well, like this kind of hashtag you should promote on your Twitter. Okay, just if you don't have a Twitter, miss, don't worry, it's a free of cost. You can create a free Twitter account in Google. Okay, just open that and create a free Twitter account and tweet as much of tweets you can. Okay, then in the finally give your link which you have copied. Okay, you have created a landing page link, right? Just paste it here and click on tweet. So you have done. Okay, so this is a simple trick, everyone can do it. Okay, definitely there are many people who are searching for movie download in Telegram daily. Thousands of people are searching for a perfect HD movie download. You can promote it and you can start getting the leads from your favorite country persons per day. As a beginner, it's really easy to earn at least a $60 to $65 easily. So this is a simple trick, please follow this and start your journey. Okay, until then, it's bye from CPA Hacks. And if you have any query and if you have any doubts regarding our private session, means please direct message me on Instagram. You know it well that we are running a private session. And don't worry, tomorrow evening we are going to run a free webinar regarding our workshop. Okay, in that webinar I'm going to teach you from A to Z scratch, from scratch to pro. I'm going to teach you each and everything in CPA marketing. Okay, so please don't forget, I'm going to give the timing and everything's in my YouTube community. You can watch it there, it's free of cost. Okay, so what are all the fees of that course, and what are the things you will get, and what are the benefits you have, everything I'm going to explain you there. So please be ready and please watch that video fully. You will get the best idea about the CPA marketing because it's a free webinar. Anyone can join in our YouTube and you can watch it. Okay, until then, it's bye from CPA Hacks. Thank you. If you have any queries regarding my private session, I'll give the Instagram and Telegram and Messenger link in the description. You can watch it there. Thank you.